Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Microsoft Store is missing, not showing, or perhaps is not even installed on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in WS Reset, go ahead and just left click on that one time to open it up, and give it a moment to run here. And then hopefully I should have resolved the problem. If not, something else we can try here too. I will have a command in the description of my video, guys. I want you to copy it and then open up the search menu, type in PowerShell. Best result, should come back with Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video. Like I said, I want you guys to copy it if you haven't already. And then go up the top bar of the PowerShell window here, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. And then once you have a blinking cursor, go ahead and close out of here and restart your device. And now if you attempt to open up the store, it should be able to work properly. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.